Welcome back, guys. James Rodney Jones here. We're fixing to do a piano tutorial of a chorus I did the other day called No Telling. It's a chorus I wrote. So let's get to it. We're going to start out with vamping with the G, with that one chord. Oh, there's no telling what God's gonna do. That went up to the 4, the C. Go up to the D, the 5. God's gonna do. God's gonna do. There's no telling. You can go from that G to the G over B, the 1 over 3. What God's gonna do. If you ask by faith and believe. Those chords are G, C, D, G, G, G over B, C, A minor, D, G. We'll play it. There's no telling what God's gonna do. God's gonna do. God's gonna do. There's no telling what God's gonna do. When you ask by faith and believe. There's no telling what God's gonna do. God's gonna do. God's gonna do. Oh, there's no telling what God's gonna do. When you ask by faith and believe. Now we go to this little bridge tag, and it goes up to the 4, the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. No problem's too hard for the master. Back to that 1 chord, the G. Your answer is on the way. So that back to the C, back to the G. That 4 to that 1. Now this is where it gets a little interesting. That's a 3 major chord, or the B major. When you're faced with doubt in your life. E minor. There's no need to give in to your strife. Go from that 6 minor now to the 2 major, the D, A. God's got a plan. He's got a way. Fix it all for you to the end up with that D chord. And I do a lot of 7s. If you're noticing, I'm doing 7s. A minor 7, E minor 7, A major 7. So now this D7. I'm adding that 7 to the D. You can also make it an augmented by raising the 5th. Turn it around back into the chorus. There's no telling what God's gonna do. God's gonna do. God's gonna do. There's no telling what God's gonna do when you ask by faith and believe. And sometimes you can do that as well. You can do this 1 over 5, this G over D, D, to end that. When you ask by faith and believe. Sometimes I wasn't doing that G over D. I was just doing, when you ask by faith and believe. You can just do a D7 the whole time. It just has a neat sound. Oh, no problem's too hard for the master. I like to walk up. Your answer is on its way. When you're faced with doubt in your life, there's no need to give in to your strife. 'Cause God's got a plan. He's got a way. Fix it all for you. There's no telling what God's gonna do. God's gonna do. God's gonna do. There's no telling what God's gonna do when you ask by faith and believe. Oh, when you ask by faith and believe. When you ask by faith and believe. did a little blues run there. Different keys I'm doing that in, but I did it in G. And I've got a video to teach that as well. I'll leave a link to that, teaching the blues scale and the blues run. And that's how you end it, with that G over D, D, G, several times if you want to end with that little scale there, the blues scale. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel. Check out some more of the content. God bless.